Welcome. In front of me is ACER TravelMate P2, and in this video I will show you how to use split screen feature on this laptop. So let me open two separate windows in order to show you how to use the split screen feature. Now, if you want to place these two windows on the screen evenly, what you have to do is grab the top bar of one of these applications and drag it to the top of the screen. Then select the position for your application. As you can see, you can place up to 4 windows on your screen at the same time. For example, let's select this position for File Explorer, and then just click on the browser to put it into the second position. And now we can change the size of each window by dragging this bar in between them. And as you can see right now, we can use both applications at the same time. And that's how the split screen feature works. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.